When structuring information in a document, you need to consider the overall structure as well as section or chapter structures. Both these need to follow a pattern or be written within a context or framework. Within the overall inductive or deductive structure, you choose for the document as a whole, but you should also arrange content within certain sections into a logical context. The structure should suit the material and give the reader a clear picture. The sequential pattern follows a logical progression or describes events in order, such as steps in a process. Or a chronological pattern where each main section of information represents a particular time period. An hierarchical pattern is an arrangement of items in which items are represented as being above or below or at the same level. Other ways to arrange content is by topic type or category. Cause and effect, problems and solutions, or even comparisons like similarities and differences.